Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial video on how to achieve the rubber band method box braids. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So in this video, I will be using the Mimosa hair pomade edge control. So this is the Argan oil edge control. Also, you will need your comb. I will be using this long tail comb and your rubber bands, but for this video I will be using the clear rubber bands because based upon reviews I heard this is the best rubber band to use for this hairstyle. I will be using an ombre blonde and black kanekalon hair for this hairstyle. For the final look, I will be adding some hair jewelry or braids jewelry, I don't know what it's called exactly, to my hair, but this is entirely up to you. If you want to add any type of hair jewelry to your hair, you can go ahead and do it. But yeah, I will be using that, and also I have a gold thread to wrap around my braid. But then again, it's up to you. If you want to use it, go ahead. If you don't, it's fine. So I am going to section my hair, add the edge control to the hair, and apply the rubber band. After, I'm going to grab the pieces of the kanekalon hair that I'm going to use to braid my hair. And then, with my natural hair, I'm going to part the kanekalon hair that I'm going to use into two, and then use my natural hair as the third section, or whatever it's called. But yeah, I am going to use two parts of the kanekalon hair and my natural hair to braid the base, and then whilst it gets to the end of my natural hair, I am going to part the kanekalon hair into three to continue with the braiding.
First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche. I don't wanna hit that. Don't sit like a horse. I be ballin' on this. Got me feeling like sports. Dash got so much wood I could. First, let me hop. First, let me
I am back, guys, and as you can see, I am almost finished with my entire head. I just have a couple more braids to go, so I'm just gonna show you how it looks from the back. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and braid these last two. So I also wanted to point out that I already applied the edge control to both sections. To apply the Cara's Daughter hair oil to the lines of my hair. thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.